Knock knock. Can anybody explain what the heck is limit in calculus? Not a point, not a speed limit.
It's the math game of getting closer, 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 but never quite there.
Well, first thing first, you need a tool.
Jesus Christ! Cross.
Wake up, you're not in Sunday school. Remember? Math coordinates from middle school algebra, your favorite. X goes side to side, Y goes up and down.
And math feels so around.
Here comes a function. Y equal to x squared. You drop an x onto the line and it shoots up to Y.
Laser tag game. And now, gamer, tell me what you see.
Bingo! It's not where the function goes, but where it is headed. That's the limit.